boys and girls, it's me, Mrs. Jenkins. It's time for a handwriting lesson. Today's lesson will be practicing writing the magic C letters. Now, magic C letter writing is something that we have been doing ever since September. It's very important to have good, strong handwriting so that people can read what you have to say. In order to do this activity, you're going to need something to write with. Here are a few ideas. You could use a notebook and a pen or pencil or marker. You could get some salt. This also works well with flour or sand, and pour it on a plate. Use your finger for writing. If you have a whiteboard at your house with an expo marker, you could certainly use this. This is what we use at school. And finally, you could use a writing app on your device. This is what I'm going to use today, and I'll show you that in a minute. There's also something else that's really fun to use. I don't have any here with me, but I do have it at school, and that is shaving cream. So if your mom or dad or grandma is very, very brave, and if they have shaving cream, they could put a pile on the table and you spread it out. You use your finger for writing. It also gets your table really clean. So I'm going to use my iPad because I really like this app. It's called Joy Doodle, and it's free and fun to use. So I'm going to click on New, and then I will pick my paintbrush. I like this one for today, so I'll tap that one. Now, if you remember, there are a lot of lowercase letters that are formed in the same way. So if you can make a magic C, then you can make a lot of lowercase letters, and we've been learning that. So let me zoom in a little closer. Oops, oh my. Well, I hope you didn't get too dizzy on that one. Okay, so let's practice the magic C. Around, 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 around. I hope you were writing your magic C at the same time that I was writing mine. So this is the magic C, and I really like this app because you can play it back and watch the motion. I'll speed it up. So that's the motion, going this way, this way, this way. All right, let's do another one. There's another letter that goes around, and it's the letter O. I want you to write it right along with me. Around, 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 around. All right, so the letter O is also formed by making the magic C. You got it. Let's do another one. Okay, so this one is going to say around and up and down. You remember what letter that is. Let's do it. Around and up and down. What letter? It's an A, of course. Around and up and down. Again. Around and up and down. Again. Around and up and down. Around and up and down. Around and up and down. We've been practicing this one for a long, long time, and it's still pretty hard for a lot of you. So that's why I want you to practice. Now let's watch the video. There we go. Right. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to do it like that. All right, let's do another one. Are you ready? I want you to write right along with me. This is your practice. Let's do another one that goes around and up and down. Ready? Around and up and down. What letter? It's a lowercase d. Around and up and down. 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 That's a lowercase d. And I'll tell you, if you learn how to make lowercase d this way with the magic C, you'll never mix up D and B again. It's a really cool trick. Oops, let's play it. I think you want to see that. Around and up and down, around and up and down, around and up and down, around and up and down. All right, let's do another one. Are you ready? Let's do this one. Around and up and down, and a hook. What letter is that? Lowercase g. Lowercase g is also one of the magic C letters. Let's do some more. Around and up and down, and a hook. 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 One more. Around and up and down, and a hook. That's the lowercase g. This is really good practice for your hands. It's kind of like a workout for your hands. Wow, look at that. That's cool. Okay, we're going to do another one. Get ready. You're doing a great job. Hang in there. Okay, let's do another one. Around and up and down, and a hook. What letter is that? That's the hard one. That's a lowercase q. But it's almost like a G. It's just the hook goes the other way. Don't worry, the more you practice writing it, the better you'll know it. So let's do it together. Around and up and down, and a hook. 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 Let's watch it. I'll speed it up. That's how you make a lowercase q. This week, I want you to keep practicing your handwriting with the magic C letters. Make sure you say the words out loud. That will help you form the letters the right way. All right, have a good day and more later.